Hi everyone, welcome back to day 9 of the RevenueCat Shipperton. Today I have some really good news and the day did not start well as I expected it to be, and there was a point at I think in the afternoon where I was like, I just want to quit on this project and just like take the month off and just not like hustle like the way I'm doing right now with one video, one article, and doing my side gig, my my consulting work with while working on this project and trying to ship it to the app store. So, but I then went for a run at night and then that cleared my head. I came back and I solved both the bugs that were like bugging me or nagging me for the past 2 weeks. So, with that, I'm really happy that now I can fully work on adding new features that will eventually give more bugs. But the point is that these were some things that were like bringing me down. And so, let's start with the first thing that I have for the day. So I kind of did a makeover of the control panel with the SF symbols. So we have like very nice SF symbols everywhere in the app. I still have to figure out how to do this action buttons in a good way. That's something for tomorrow. But everything is working well, and the 2x to 3x and 4x, the animation problem that I had where when I start animating and then when I would stop it to from animating, it would go back, and when I go back to 3x it just works fine now. So that was the biggest bug that was bugging me. And the second biggest was this colors that were not working. And the problem with these colors was that when I click on the color, it would not able to open on top of this layout that I already had. So what I did was I went back to the old but cold UI kit where I use the UI color view controller that gives delegate methods to like listen to changes, like if it uh, finished showing the view controller. So now if you see the animation, it would first dismiss the bottom sheet, then open this one, then I change the color, I can still see the color a bit, and then when I click on cross, then it shows back my bottom sheet. It brings this a bit of slow animation or a friction, but at least now it works, so I'm really happy with that. So those were the two bugs that I have like just got done with. And then I added a new setting screen, which is nothing like very cool, but it just mentions bug or feature request or follow me on my Twitter, or and that's it. And another feature that I have been working on that gave me creativity while I was doing my run was this available templates as a whole new screen. So you have a lot of templates. So I added more templates and I really wanted a bit like a whole view to view them. And I wanted to implement it today, but I could not. Is that I want to sneak in the translation framework like in a creative way, is that you can kind of like have a button here to translate in your own language, and all these names that I have will like get automatically translated into your language. And that would be a cool way to like just sneak in the new iOS 18 framework. But I feel like that's a good use case. What do you think? But I'm really happy with that. So that's something I would maybe do after like sending this uploading this video, or do it tomorrow. And with that, I don't have much for today, but those two bugs were like they were good riddance. So with that, I will work on the onboarding maybe. It feels like it's like an albatross around my neck, this onboarding screen. But anyway, let's no more yapping. See you tomorrow.